Bad Company Series 24. Welcome, fans, to another unboxing and review here on Monster Truck Classics. It's very nice to have an independent truck to be able to be in the series. And so let me unbox it right now. Here is the little thing that comes with it, is a little barrel, and it has the Monster Jam symbol on it. Here we go. The poster for Series 24 is Pirate's Curse. And let's take a look at the other trucks in this series real quickly. The True Heavy Metals of Gravedigger, which I did unbox and review on my channel. And then we have Legacy Trucks of Soldier Fortune Black Ops and Son of a Digger. And Son of a Digger has a little bit of a different color to it. And then we get the See-Through Crew of October. I know I didn't pronounce that correctly. That's always a difficult one. Arena Favorites of Crackton and Bad Company. And then Rolled Finals of Gravedigger the Legend. The other two is going to be the Crazy Creatures of Dragon and Pirate's Curse. Here it is, Bad Company. Really enjoyed the BKT lettering on the tires. I wish that they would have that on every single truck. But let's go ahead. This has a silver roll cage and a black chassis, and the driver is also black because that's all one piece underneath there. You can take it apart. Of course, you already know that, but I'm just letting you know. So really enjoy the detail that they put into the Bad Company here in this lineup. My graphics don't look too faded or anything. You can tell that there is a little like skull figure right there, and the lettering on mine looks pretty good. It's not really faded or anything. I think red and everything like that goes around, pretty well done. Monster Jam logo looks pretty well. It's actually, it should be a little bit more yellow around it. The upside down triangle, but that's really, really small detail to put into it. Coming around to the front, like the grill, how it is, the lights, very good. Here up on top here, now the hood, you can see the graphic on the hood pretty well. Some Aces cards, and it looks like an eye and some wings, and not sure else what that is. In the detail of the black, also there is some detail you can see in the black there area. So let's flip it on to the other side. Same thing, looking at on the tailgate, we have Bad Company, and the tail lights also looking good, and we get that creature. So then here up on top of the roof, there we go, Bad Company. And that looks like a little bit of a fade. You can't really make it out too well. It is what it is. Looks all right. Not perfect, but mine came out pretty well. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of Bad Company. Hopefully you already got yours. I was looking online, and Monster Jam OCD put up a video of this series back in April of this year, which was 2022. So yeah, long time coming. It's December the 13th here doing this unboxing video. So thank you for tuning in.